Ooh,
Where is he?
that one is white and gray. He's not brown, he's huge. So that's one there, that big one.
I want to see the dog.
Okay, so there are a lot of birds. There are two here, and there are two more over there in the grass. And then over by the jungle gym, there are two more. And walking by the swing, two more there.
That's 100.
Okay. And then everybody change, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. He got bigger.
I think he likes us now.
Yeah, me too, because he meet us. Birds. One is there, one is there. There's two.
Okay, be there.
Mm-hmm.
So look to them.
I know. I just saw one over there, but gone.
This is the one that we were doing, or is another one?
It's the real. It's another one.
So he looks bigger, a big brown one.
Guys, I can't believe two birds come here to visit us. These are the only birds we love. I wish there was 100 birds at my party. Because I love birds. Birds are good. Yeah. Okay, this is the end of our video. Thank you for letting these birds. Bye.